you gonna attack me?
Yep. Oh, look.
Oh no, she found it again.
But can she get to
It's in
it?
a package.
Oh no.
Oh, I still can't get to it. I still can't get to it. I want it.
Drugs.
I know this is it. Why can't I get to it?
It's right there. I can see it.
Wait. Oh no, I can't figure this out. No. Oh. Catnip crazy.
It'll open.
Your cat's an addict. Give me the drugs. Oh, this phone, it's so beautiful. Daddy, why would you hide the drugs from me?
Stuck her face in it. We gave her some catnip, but then we
A tiny bit
tried
of
to hide
catnip.
it from her, and now she's trying to get more of it.
She's a drug addict.
Yeah. She's like trying to stuff her head inside the bag.
Well, now what is cat?
Super effective.
It's just an herb. But it has this effect on cats.
Oh, you like the fishy? It was shipped with it, so.
She's like, you're my fun.
I love it. Gonna make it go?
She's like, stop moving. I gotta love you more.
I need to cuddle.
Oh my god.
Get bopped in the nose
Yeah.
there for a while.
Stop it. I love you.
Oh, she's like, alright, safe to nuzzle it again.
Dragging poor animals.
Yes, that's right. We're gonna be among the lowest of the low.
Damn, they were like, put the packet inside the fish. That did not need to be in the fish. Like,
What's in the fish?
nothing.
Okay.
But it was shipped in the same box as the catnip.
Correct.
Oh.
Even though they were separated.
Oh, okay.
World's best fish.
Yeah, catnip. Yep. Not every cat reacts to it, but an awful lot of them do.
It's like, what the fuck? Here you go. No.
Scary.
But you were my friend.
Oh, jeez. Oh, wait.
Back to the bag.
Bag. Bag smells good. Bag.
I just want to stuff my face in it. All right, you mellowing out? Getting level?
She's starting to level out a bit.
All right, good
Just
job.
a little.
5-minute trip right there. Oh, shoot. What? Good job, Magenta. You did it.